Hello, first graders. I hope you're doing great. It's Mr. Santucci. Nice to see you. I'm going to sing today the song, Are You Sleeping? And you might already know it. I thought it was appropriate since, we're doing school from home, and so we might not be on our regular schedule. I noticed I've been getting to sleep in a little bit longer than usual, which is kind of nice. So sometimes we oversleep, and then even though the morning bells might be ringing, our alarm might be going off, sometimes we sleep through the bells, right? That's what happened to Brother John in this story. So I'm going to sing it for you. We're going to sing it twice through. And let's remember to use a nice singing voice. Ooh, first say this. This is my regular talking voice. And then say this. This is my whispering voice. Then say, this is my singing voice. Singing. Pretty good. Try this one. Singing voice. Singing voice. Singing voice. So now we have our singing voices warmed up a little bit. And then we're going to sing in this key. This key of D major. Are you sleeping? Ready? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Okay, so now of course I'm singing in my first grade voice. If I sing it in my grown-up voice, I don't know, can you still sing in your first grade voice range if I sing in my grown-up voice? Let's try, ready? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, dang, dong, ding, dang, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, dang, dong, ding, dang, dong. Oh, did you hear that? My grown-up voice was not warmed up yet, and it was kind of cracking a little bit. Hey, it happens. That's what happens if you don't warm up. I should have done some vocal warm-ups, right? Mommy made me mash my M&Ms, oh no. Daddy dunked my donuts down the drain, oh no. Anyway, now that we're warmed up, I have a challenge. If you want to try it, you don't have to. It's kind of tricky. You might want to get a grown-up or a big brother or sister in your house to help you try this. I'm going to sing the song 2 times through. But this time, you can try to sing it with me in canon, or singing in a round. In canon means you're singing exactly what's true to what I'm singing. You're copying me exactly. But you're starting one phrase later than me. So you're going to be following me around the song. That might be why it's called singing in a round. I don't know. So I'll sing the song, and I'll sing after I sing the first verse. When I get done with the first line, the first phrase, I should say, are you sleeping, are you sleeping? I'm going to go on to Brother John, Brother John. But when I start singing Brother John, Brother John, you see if you can start on, are you sleeping? Now, here's what's super tricky about this. My note for Brother John is a different note than your first note for R. So you're going to have to keep that note in your memory, R, in your audiation, so you can remember what note to start on, because I'm going to be starting on, when you start singing R, I'm going to be singing brother or brother. Okay, so you have to keep thinking of the first note. When you hear me sing the first note, Are you sleeping? Keep that note R in your head because that's going to be your first note when you come in. And I'll nod my head when I nod my head like that. That's when you start singing, are you sleeping? Or, are you sleeping? In your first grade voice, okay? It's okay if it doesn't work. It's just a fun challenge. You could try it a few times. Maybe it doesn't work today. Maybe it works tomorrow. Sometimes music is like that. Okay, and like I said, you can get help from somebody else in your house to sing with you if you want. It helps when you have more than one person singing in your group. I'll be the first group, you be the second group. Ready? I'll nod to you when you're supposed to start singing on R. And then we do the whole song 2 times. That's a big challenge. Go for it. Good luck. Here goes me. I'll go first. Don't start yet. Ready? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, dang, dong, ding, dang, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, dang, dong, ding, dang, dong. You should have finished right when my ukulele finished playing on your ding, dang, dong. So how did you do? Pretty tricky, right? Try it again and see if you can do it. If you need help from a grown-up or a big brother or sister, ask them if they'll help you. It'll be pretty cool if you can do it. All right, see you later, first graders. Bye.